Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if your Phantom wallet is failing to authenticate. So it's a simple step and it is an easy process. If it's failing to authenticate, you can place forward these steps, but if none of these work for you, in the end you need to contact their customer support. So first of all, some preliminary fixes are seeing if your Wi-Fi works. Since if your Wi-Fi is weak or if it's not working at the moment or if it's not catching your phone's signals, that would mean that Phantom Wallet will not authenticate and thus it will not work. Apart from that, you can also check if your device has any VPN or anything else on which might be interfering with the network that is interfering with Phantom Wallet. What that basically means, you'll just check if you've got any VPN on or not. If you have a VPN on, you'll just turn it off. And you can also uninstall and reinstall Phantom Wallet as well, and if that works then great. Otherwise you can follow these steps. So first of all, you can see this is the Phantom Wallet application. You will just search it up and you'll just long press on it. You can also find the Phantom Wallet from your settings, but you can do this as well. You can see the app info option. You'll go on app info. When you go on app info, this is the screen that you'll see. From here, you will go on force stop, as you can see right here. What this will do is this will essentially just refresh everything in your Phantom Wallet application, and it can help you authenticate Phantom Wallet as well. So you'll just press on force stop right here and you will press on OK, and you'll just wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Then after that you will reload your Phantom Wallet. Now if that doesn't work, then you can go to storage. This is the second fix. When you go to storage, this is what you see. From here you'll have to clear cache, not clear data. When you press on clear cache, that is all you need to do. These are the two steps and the preliminary steps earlier. If none of these work, then your last option will be contacting the customer support for Phantom Wallet, so they can help you if it's a technical issue from their side. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.